Amy with Loving All Seasons, and today I am finally here with a Rae Dunn haul. That's right, a Rae Dunn haul. So excited because I found 4th of July. So my stores, have had the stars, the little stars that say hero and things like that, which are nice, but I was looking for mugs. And then I was also looking for like bowls and things like that to mix in. And I found them. So make sure you stick around after the shop with me. I'll show you some of the items that are popping up in my store. And then we will meet back here for the haul. Okay, you guys, there are a bunch of new cups in my store. BU. Barely. Best day ever. I got the bride cups in. Star. The best is yet to come. I really like that one. Best day ever. Do you. Are you. Do you. And then Live with Purpose. I like that. These are some of the items I think I'm gonna get. They also had these. These are new in my store. I know they've had them out, but Hold, Store, and Keep. Those are $16.99. These are those little ice cream. I'm going to use these for 4th of July. Let's see what else. Oh, we got these in. Pour and Sip. These are $19.99. And they just put these out. Bride to be, groom to be. Those are nice if you're going to a wedding. These sets, $16.99. The Coffee First, I think that's $16.99. But I wanted to show you Big Dream and this one. Let your dreams blossom. Look at how pretty. And she just put these out. Huh, Mama? Stuff we've seen. Yeah. So I'm pretty excited. Oh, and I found this, which I'm getting for 4th of July. This also, it has the different $24.99. And then they had these sets. Cute, right? Okay, I'm at Home Goods. They got a couple new signs. Angry. $7.99. They got the bread. Tea time. Utensils. $14.99. Look at this little guy. He's $12.99. How cute is that? Cocktails. That one is $9.99. The baskets. Got a couple of him. I wanted to show these. These are cute. It has the different names. Amanda's Kitchen, Ashley, Boss's Kitchen, David's. I just think those are really cute. Katie's. And then this I wanted to show. How stinking cute is that, you guys? Look at this one with Piglet. So cute. Lemons, I like that. Really cute. They're getting all the summer ones in. I like that. And some of the 4th of July or patriotic. I'm going to show you this. My stores are getting tons of the trucks in. And you guys all know those are $9.99. I got these in. $9.99. Yeah, my stores are starting to get a lot more of the 4th of July. Look at these placemats. Those are cool. $9.99. And they have these. Those are nice. Those are $12.99. Here's some more. I had to share how stinking cute these are. It is so cute if you're doing watermelon. It's $14.99. So things are starting to slowly come into my stores. Remember, I'm in Michigan. And I feel like we are towards the last. Like, I feel like California gets their items first. There's certain areas that get their stuff sooner. Like, I even noticed that Ohio might get some of their stuff a day earlier than us. So, I don't know. But, let's get, let me welcome everybody. Hi, guys. How you doing? I'm Jamie with Loving All Seasons. If you're new to this channel, I love to do hauls, shop with me's, decorates for all seasons. As you can see in the background, this is my coffee bar area, and I'll link that one in the description below if you haven't checked that out. It's a bee lemon theme, really cute. I think it turned out great. But you guys are here for this haul. So, first thing is not 4th of July, but guess what else I found? I found another one. So, you know, I found 3 of these when they first came out. And I was overexcited. I've been looking for the ones that say rice or noodles. So I bought the 3 for my men in my life, my husband and my 2 boys. Well, I felt left out. And look what I found. I was also going to get my son's girlfriend either the rice or ramen if I could find it. So I'm still on the hunt for one of those, either noodles, rice, ramen, one of them. But this was at TJ Maxx, $9.99. It comes with the chopsticks. It's the wooden. Now, I won't use these. I mean, I try, but it's a huge fail, guys. It's pretty comical when you see me trying to use these. But I just love these bowls. I've been stealing my son's or my husband's even when I just do spaghetti. I like this bowl. I think it's a great size. So super excited on that one. Now to the 4th of July. It's not a very big haul, but the things I found, I was really excited for. I went in on Sunday. So you know I bought those other ones that are smaller. But these I thought are really cute. It's that red and white theme. I told you I want to do like hot dogs and hamburgers and s'mores, all the fun things for summer to relate with 4th of July. These were Home Goods. I found these. $4.99. They're both $4.99. And they just say ice cream. Ice cream. We all scream for ice cream, right? So, really cute. I was so excited, you guys. Then I found this one. This was also Home Goods. $7.99. It's that bigger mug. It's like taller. I kind of like this mug sometimes. I, of course, love the original, but the only thing that's a little weird is the handle. But it comes with a cute little wooden coaster. And I'm sorry if you guys hear Wolfgang in the background breathing really hard. But this one says USA and it's $7.99. It's in that beautiful blue. It's a little, this is more like, I think, royal blue. And the other one I had might have been more navy. I do like the navy a lot. But then I also found this one. 4th of July. So, and it comes with the coaster. That was also Home Goods. $7.99. The white writing. It fills up that whole mug. I love that. These 2. I just love them. I just love them. Home of the Brave. And it has the little stars across. These are $5.99. These were Home Goods also. And I found them all at the same time. They didn't have any of the vases or, you know, any of that yet. At least not in my store unless someone already snagged it. And then this one. Happy 4th of July with the stars. I love these. I can't wait. I don't know if they're going to go here and I'm going to switch it out or I'm going to put it on a tier tray. I kind of want to be able to use these. I'm thinking June and July we'll switch it to this. You know, the red, white, and blue. Or maybe keep it up the rest of the summer. But I gotta tell you, I'm really loving the yellow. I am loving it. The pops of yellow throughout my house. It's just bright and sunny. If I look tired today, guys, I am. I'm getting ready to go back to work, so I was running around doing all the last of my stuff before I head back into work. So I'm going to continue. I know last week we only had the one video. I'm going to try to do the 2 videos a week. I was trying to stick to set days. I'm thinking it's going to be Tuesdays and Fridays or Thursdays. Not sure. Yeah. So, but that is it for the haul. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite out of this? Do you guys like the stars? Are you guys even looking for 4th of July, Rae Dunn? Or are you just waiting for Halloween? Because I'll tell you, Halloween is, hello, I'm ready. Let me please find some really good pieces this year. But yeah, what was your favorite? Was it the ice cream bowls? Was it the ramen noodle, bowl? What is going on with you guys? Comment below. Make sure you subscribe. You hit that bell. You want to hit all so you can become part of this family and we can get to know each other. And yeah, that's about it. You guys have a great day. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.